Animal haircut videos are everywhere right now. One TikTok page has around 300,000 followers, and most of their videos get millions of views. And honestly, after watching a few, you just can't stop. So let me show you how to make these using AI. First, open ChatGPT. Go to Explore GPTs and search Animal Haircut Generator. Open it and start a chat. It'll ask for an animal and a haircut. For example, type tiger and undercut. It will give you 2 image prompts and 1 video prompt. Copy the first image prompt and go to Flow AI. Click Create Image, pick your size, paste the prompt, and generate. Your first image will be ready in a few seconds. Now, copy the second image prompt. Paste it again in Flow AI, but this time upload the first image as a reference before generating. Now you have both images. Next, go to Create Video in Flow AI and choose Frames to Video. Upload the first image as frame 1 and the second as frame 2. Then copy the video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it there. Hit Generate. That's it. Your video is ready. These videos usually come out funny and satisfying, which is why they do so well. Save it, post it, and try a few more ideas. If this helped, you can like, subscribe, and comment what you want to learn next.